What?
I'm recording.
Jakey Poo is gonna call us! Jakey Poo from MySpace!
What if he does not call?
Then he's 40. We're gonna never talk to him again. He doesn't even have a cell phone. And he works at PacSun. He has money.
She said that he's 40. She said that like it's normal. If he does not call, that means he's 40 years old. It's safe to assume.
Is that how it usually works? When do we ever deal with 40-year-olds? I don't fucking know any 40-year-olds.
My dad is 40. My mom, I think.
Does he have a MySpace? Is he Jakey Poo? Does he message little youngins?
Even if okay, no, stop. Seriously though, I don't care. Even if that is a fake MySpace, like whoever's in the pictures is a cute kid, and it looks like, if anything.
He's so cool though. I want him to be real. So
I know, but I'm saying even if this one's not real, I'm sure it's one of those things where they stole pictures from somebody. That's what I was thinking.
We should go find the kid that he stole.
But how the fuck do you do that? I'm sure they made.
He only has like 50 friends.
I know.
Oh my God! What if he's 40?
Simone is so calm about this because she's already found Cynthia chaotic. And now we have Jake. Well, what did he have in his thing earlier? It was like hood name Jake Kwando or something.
What? That's not even hood. That's the gangster. Jake Kwando.
Here, hold the phone. Here, I want to play.
No, that's like 8. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing with my life.
That takes me back.
What did he say?
He said okay, with a smiley face.
Tell him to call now. Tell him.
He's gonna call soon.
Tell him call right now. Look at the phone. Is he calling? Not yet. Do you see it? Call now, Jakey Poo. We can never show him.
I want to just record the phone, so it's like. You think we can never show?
No, I
know. Watch us become best. Watch him move here, and we can become like fucking like hello close as friends, and then we're like, shut the fuck up. Give me it. Hello. Hello.
Melissa?
Yeah.
Hey, it's Jake.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm with Shelby right now. Say hi, Shelby.
Hi.
Hi.
What's up?